Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Cook for the Soul. My name is Nicole if you're here for the first time, and thank you so much for watching this video. Today I prepared this beautiful chicken pita for you. This is really delicious and it's a great weeknight dinner because it doesn't take too long to prepare. I also prepared this Feta Tzatziki today, which is delicious. You have to try that. And if you like this kind of Middle Eastern food, this is something you have to try. So have a great day. Please let me know in the comment section where you're watching me from, and let's get started. Today I will be using 3 chicken breasts, which will serve me for 3 to 4 pitas. And first, slice thin strips. And once you have it sliced into strips, cut it into smaller pieces. Now transfer the chicken in a bowl. For the marinade, put 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon curry powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 3 cloves of garlic, minced, and 3 tablespoons of plain white Greek yogurt. Mix everything together. And now let it sit for 15 minutes in room temperature. While the chicken is marinating, we're going to prepare the Feta Tzatziki. So first, peel 2 small cucumbers. Now grate the cucumbers using the larger grater. Now squeeze the cucumbers to get rid of the excess water. We're going to use dill without the stem, so remove the stems. And we're going to use approximately 1 tablespoon, as well as some mint. And I'm going to use approximately 1 tablespoon of the mint leaves as well. Now chop finely the mint and the dill. Now put approximately 75 grams of feta cheese in a bowl. Add 5 tablespoons of the white Greek yogurt. And using a fork, mush the feta cheese and mix it together with the Greek yogurt. Now add 1 garlic clove and mince it. Add salt, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Add the mint and the dill. Add the cucumbers and mix everything together. And at the end, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and mix it in. And the Feta Tzatziki is done. Now prepare a large tray and line it with a parchment paper. And distribute the chicken evenly. And as soon as the oven is preheated, put the chicken in and bake it for 15 minutes. So now that the chicken is baking, I'm going to prepare everything else that I'm going to be needing. So I'm going to be warming up 2 pita breads. So I'm just going to put them on a tray. And when the 15-minute timer on the chicken is done, I'm going to put it into the oven. And I'm going to transfer the chicken under the broil. So I'm going to grill it for a little bit, only just for a few minutes. I'm going to slice a little bit of red onion. So I have 1/4 of red onion here. And just cut very thin slices. And we're going to garnish the chicken with the red onion. So I have that ready, and I'm also going to serve the chicken pitas with some black olives. So just drain it and put it in a bowl. And I'm also going to use some lettuce. So just rinse a few pieces of lettuce. And after 15 minutes, I'm going to change the oven setting to broil on high. I'm gonna transfer the chicken on the top rack that I already prepared earlier. And at the same time, I'm going to add the pita bread in for a few minutes. So after 5 minutes of broiling, the chicken got a nice brownish color, which is gonna add to the flavor. The pita bread is also warmed up. And to serve the chicken pita, I would just cut a small opening. You see the pockets already there. Add some of the tzatziki inside of the pita. It's not gonna make it soggy. Just spread it a little bit inside. Add the lettuce. Now add the chicken inside. Sprinkle some onion. You can put it inside also. And top it with just a little bit more of the tzatziki. And the chicken pita is done. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy.